Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to cancel your Spotify premium but not sure how? Here's how to do it in under a minute. First of all, open your browser and go to spotify.com. Log into your account if you are not already. Scroll down your plan section, then click change plan. Scroll down to scroll down and the cancel premium and hit cancel premium. Like that. Your account will switch to the free version at the end of your current billing cycle, so no charges after that. And that's it. Quick and easy. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.